Hi, this is Bex from Reading and Writing Redhead, and I am going to give you a little information on how you can edit the self-grading assessments in Google Drive. Actually, they're Google Forms. So just decide to use this one because it's pretty straightforward. So this is a single-digit edition one, and it has 12 questions. So a couple simple things you can do if you want kids to enter more information at the top here. Besides their name, you can add a question with the plus sign using this bar over here. So let's say you want them to add their email. You can choose short answer, type in email, and you want to make sure you hit required. Okay, now let's see, delete. I don't want that. Let's say you do not want a question. Let's say you want 10 questions, not 12. Click on the one you want to get rid of and just hit delete. Okay. Couple other options if you want to change the points. I gave each question 1 point. Hit answer key and you can change the points here. You can make certain questions maybe even 0 points, and you have to click edit question to go back to it. Okay. Let's say you prefer not to have multiple choice or you want to add a question that is open response. So let's add one. And let's say you want the children to type in the answer. So you click short answer and you want to click over here to give it some points. And also when you're doing it this way, you can tell Google Forms what the correct answer is, which is pretty awesome. So that's how you do it right there. It kind of prompts you. So you want to go back and edit question. Oh, you can also add answer feedback. So let's say you want to add try again, good try it again, or great job. You could do that. Let's go back to editing the question and make sure we make it required. Okay. One other thing I want to point out about changing the questions is you might want to check in the settings wheel here, right here, that you still have it as a quiz. You can decide if the students get to see their grade right away, or if you have open response questions, short answer questions that you can't have checked right away. You might want to say release the grade after manual review. So for example, I had some science assessments this year and students had to type in, list several reasons why people immigrated to America in the 1800s. So the computer really couldn't correct that for me. What I did is I still said release the grade immediately, but I warned the students that that question would be marked wrong until I looked at it later, okay? So I would have to look at it later, so just prepare students, or you can have it turned on after manual review, okay? Just wanted to let you know about that. And just to tell you as the teacher, this doesn't relate to editing or changing the questions, but the response tab is where you can collect your data on how your students did on this assessment, and you can create a spreadsheet that will show up in your Google Drive for you. So it's pretty handy. So I give you the kind of bones of these assessments, but you can modify them as you see fit also. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.